Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 1B, question number 10 of book 2. So in the previous videos, we have solved question 1 to 9 and they are uploaded on my channel. Now it's time for question number 10. It says if y is directly proportional to x cube and the difference in the values of y when x is 1 and x is 3 n is 30 to find the value of y when x is minus 2. So first of all we are going to create an equation, then we are going to find out the difference by finding the values. So I'm going to they have asked three things in the question. First, to find up and value to find the difference, and thus to find the value of x when or y when x is minus 2. So we are going to follow the three things in one single question. So let's solve question number 10. So now first of all we are going to write an equation. So according to the question, since y is directly proportional to x square, then y equals to k x square. As we know, k is the constant, so k is a constant. So first of all they have given us the value when x is 1. So first of all we are going to see the first thing, that when x equals to 1. Okay, so we need to find the value of k. So y would be as it is and k would be multiplied by 1 cube. So 1 cube, it would be 1, and k multiplied by 1 is k. So the answer would be k. Means the formula would be y equals to k x square. Okay, then the question again asks, because now they have given that when x is 1, so the value would be k. So this would be the same formula again. Now the second thing that they ask, that when x is 3. First they ask that when x is 1 and when x is 3. So when x is 3, when x equals to 3, so we are going to use the same formula because we have not landed up to a particular value. So y equals to k multiplied by 3 square. So 3 square would be 9, means k multiplied by 9. So if we just think for algebra, when we multiply to a variable and this 9, so means a constant and a variable, so it would be 9k. Is that fair enough? Okay, so it would be 9k. Means the main formula would be y equals to 9k x square. Okay, so they have asked two things, when x is 1 and when x is 3. So we have finded out the values. First value is k and then it's 9. Now let's move to the next thing, that they have asked us to find the value of y when x is minus 2 and the difference of 32. So let's solve this first. So in the previously we finded out the values of k of y when x was 1 and 3. So now after finding these values they have asked us to find out a difference of y when y is 32. So since the difference in the values of y is 32, as the question has said, the difference in the value of y is 32. So in the previous questions we landed up to two values. 9k was a bigger value, minus, as they have asked us to find difference, so they will be subtracted with k, and equals to 32, which is the difference of these two values. Now if we subtract 9k from k, so over here k is considered to be 1 according to algebraic rule. So if we subtract 9 from 1, it would be 8, means it would be 8k equals to 32. So if we make k the subject and divide 32 with 8, so the value of k would be 4. And the formula that we landed after three different steps, the formula would be y equals to 4, the value of k, x square. So this would be the formula. So first they asked us to find when x was 1 and x was 3, to find the values of y. After finding those values of y, they asked us to find the difference of 32. So we subtracted the answers in the previous part of y. So the values of y were 9k and k. So then and the difference was of 32. After subtraction we get 8k equals to 32, and then we divided and we landed on the final value of 4, which this was the value of k, and the final formula was k equals to 4x square. Then now they have asked when the value of y, find the value of y when x is minus 2. So it's pretty simple. So now they have asked the final thing after finding the formula, or after three consecutive steps, that when x is minus 2. So value of x is minus 2. So y equals to 4 multiplied by minus 2 square equals to, so 2 square would be 4 minus 4, and this 4 is in positive, so this would be finished. Now it would be 16. So the value of first of all we are going to take the square, which is 2 square, and 4, 2 square is 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So the final value for question number 10, after having a long solution, we have landed up to the value of 60. So this was question number 10 of exercise 1b. And it was a pretty simple question, but somehow in the between they have tried to confuse us, but we have landed to the final answer, which is 16, and there is no need for confusion. They have just asked the difference. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.